Assalamu alaikum friends, today we'll discuss how to fix Facebook professional mode not showing problem solve. Meta or Facebook company has come up with a big update which is known as Facebook professional mode. It is said that as a result of this update, every Facebook account, Facebook page can be seen and money can be earned from Facebook account or profile. Hope you understand Facebook professional mode. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Launch the Facebook app on your iPhone, iPad or Android device. Go to Profile. Click three dot icon. Here you will see the Facebook professional mode option. Since you don't have this option now, you can't see it now. First take a screenshot of this page. Then click Back. Click Settings and Privacy. Then click Help and Support. Click Report a Problem. Then turn off both options. Then click Report Problem. Then click Inquiry Report. Find Profile. Then click Profile. Then attach a screenshot. Write details about your problem. You can write my article if you want. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. If you like the video, please share with your friends. Click Send Report when done. Then open Google Play Store. Search Facebook app. If you get any update, please update. You have to wait for some time, then the professional mode option will appear on your profile. Thanks for watching.